Oh. Oh, yeah. Because I wasn't even sure what that meant by, oh, please, why don't you just ask my opinion? And now what? You're just only trying to sabotage one another. Yeah, I get it. You know, it's just a bowl, just a bowl. Dude, come on, just don't be so satisfied at all. I know, like, I couldn't get it to work. If you only had a nice wisdom, but hey, what is it that never made it so far? Oh, maybe you could just try out. Okay, whatever you say. Feels tiny my normal size. Well, actually, it's pretty good. Sure, it's a beautifully hot day today. Officially, it does get a bit hot outside. But the sun is in my eyes. Oh my goodness. Calm down. Just, where are my goggles? But, like, they don't even fit me. Just try on. They don't fit me. What? You don't fit me? Yeah. They're too big for me. I need something smaller than that. Oh, why's that? Because you're an octopus. An octopus? Why am I an octopus? Well, you're more of an octopus bird to me. Well, that's my octopus hairline. Well, just give me something that would help me stabilize what that's better. Okay. How I look now? Boring. Now be extra careful. This is an ice cube tray. And this is ice. That kind of looks like a frozen lake. I know, but one thing about this ice cube tray, when you slip on it, you might end up falling. Well, I'm ice-proof, you know. Watch. You see? I never slip. Oh, really? So just watch me. What? Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Just remember that never slip on that. I told you, ice proof. Fine, could be that way.